Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why some car batteries last 3, even 4 years, while yours seems to die after just 1 or 2? Well, after watching this video, you might finally get why that happens. So today, I'm gonna share a few simple tips to keep your car battery healthy and help it last longer. Even when your car is locked, your battery is still slowly losing charge. And you know what's the worst thing for a battery? Discharging. Yeah, especially deep discharge. When your battery drops below around 50%, that's considered deep discharge. At this point, your car might not start properly. And if this happens a few times, well, your battery's performance will drop a lot. And eventually, it could even die completely. Now, if you drive your car every day and you put on quite a few miles, you usually don't need to worry too much about deep discharge, because as long as your car is running, the alternator keeps charging the battery. But if you don't drive often, it's really important to let your car run for at least 10 to 20 minutes once a week. This charges the battery and also keeps the engine and transmission lubricated, so the oil doesn't settle. In winter, it's even more important. Ideally, you should drive your car twice a week, because cold temperatures really reduce a battery's ability to hold a charge. If you really can't drive, letting your car idle for about half an hour can also help. Or, if you have a battery charger, charging it once a week keeps it healthy and full. And if you're going to leave your car unused for more than a month, you can disconnect the battery's negative terminal. This stops all devices from drawing power, so the battery won't slowly discharge. Just a couple of safety tips here. Make sure the car is completely off before disconnecting, and wear insulated gloves if you can, to avoid short circuits. Also, after disconnecting, don't try to unlock your car with the remote, minus some anti-theft systems might reset. And some cars, especially high-end ones, may require you to reset the clock, windows, or radio. A little annoying, but it really protects the battery. Another tip, reduce the electrical load when parked. Many people leave music on, charge devices, or keep dash cams running after turning the car off, and that drains the battery faster. So, unplug external devices when you can, and choose a dash cam with low voltage protection or ACC connection. So, what if your battery does end up discharged? If it's just a light discharge, you can jumpstart your car using another battery or a portable jump starter. These are super convenient to have. You could also charge it using a battery charger. It takes longer, but it's gentler on the battery. And if none of these methods work, well, it might be time to replace the battery. All right, so that's it for today. Hopefully, these tips help you take better care of your car battery and avoid getting stranded. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.